Ford Ranger has really filled a nice niche for a lot of Ford enthusiasts. You get the benefits of a pickup truck, yet it's small enough it's easy enough to park, and the 2.3 liter under the hood gets reasonable gas mileage and decent performance. Now speaking of performance, we've already installed a Roush cold air kit on this 2019 Ranger. Today we're going to install a Turbosmart dual port blow off valve. The Turbosmart compact dual port blow off valve will be a direct replacement for the factory blow off valve on your 2.3 liter powered Ford Ranger. Now, this is going to be a very simple installation. Be a nice upgrade for your truck. Not only going to get that sound of that turbo a little bit more, the dual port will do a much better job of controlling and releasing boost pressure. While some of the other EcoBoost vehicles make this challenging, you got to pull a wheel, go underneath, the Ranger couldn't be simpler. The blow off valve is located right here on top of the engine. Start by removing the factory plug. Then unbolt the valve. Make sure this O-ring is seated properly and line it up with the factory holes. The plug is facing outward. Okay, plug it in. Sure locks and your installation is finished. Turbosmart compact dual port blow off gave us a little more sound out of our Ranger, plus it'll do a much better job at efficiently controlling and releasing boost. And the installation couldn't be easier. All you need is a ratchet 8mm socket. This will take you about 15 minutes. Be back on the road in no time.